Welcome guys to the Leadership Launchpad. So this is my knowledge and experience on leadership, having spent the last 15 years in the construction industry, building and scaling multiple £1 million businesses. So I put together 10 modules and 4 assignments that are designed to be easily digestible, easily accessible, and to give you results fast. Also, in one of the modules is my own leadership style, which I've created myself, called the hybrid style. Now, I've pulled together different parts of other leadership styles to give what I believe is the best solution to leadership. Now, if you can master this leadership style, I promise you will see massive results super quick. I've designed this course with urgency in mind. That's why it's called the Leadership Launchpad. It's designed to launch your leadership path. I know there's longer college courses out there, but they take years. This is designed to act fast. I fully believe that we're in this together, so if you have any questions whatsoever while you're doing the course, just reach out and we can work through them together. Leadership isn't straightforward. There's a lot of different avenues, so if you need help, ask for it. It's been designed so it can be delivered in various different ways. If you're someone who wants to do it in their own time so you can study leadership and find out the ins and outs of what you need to do to get that next promotion, you could be a manager that wants to deliver sections in a toolbox talk or monthly meeting. You could also be a business owner that's looking to develop your leadership team so you can take a step back to start working on the business instead of in the business. So with all that being said, there's no point doing this course if you are not going to take action and use what you have learned in real life. So to consolidate learning, we have to learn, execute, and take constant action to push us towards our goals. If you do this, you will succeed in every element of life. Okay guys, let's go for it.